Get strong.
Hello and welcome back to 12 Years Gone. In this video, I'm with my mother. We're going to be making a smoothie. So make sure to like, share, and subscribe. But without further ado, let's begin. What's the first thing we're going to do?
We're going to peel the banana.
Yeah.
Banana was in the fridge, so that's why they're a little brown.
They're very soft.
Normally when they're like this, they're very sweet. Maybe it's a little faster. I want to keep it this way. Then we're gonna have lasco, good old lasco, almond lasco. You can pour it.
All of it?
Yes. You got all of it? Maybe that's it. Add a little vanilla. I put some Oreo for the chocolate flavor. And one for me. Add a little cinnamon. I'm going to add a little salt. Just a little. Oh, the oats. I can't even forget the oats. A little oats. That's enough. And some
And water.
water. We'll see how thick it is first. First, this is the on button.
It's on.
Pause a bit. Let's put it on. It tastes the Oreo, it's really sweet.
Sure.
This is thick enough for you?
Let me see. That's it.
Thick enough?
Not just like this. Just a bit more.
A bit more water? I don't want it too,
Yeah, like a slight, not too much more.
too liquid. squeeze it. You can taste.
Okay.
You like it? Thumbs up. I like it. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed.
Make sure to like, share, and subscribe.
Peace.